This car is insane. It will also be at SEMA, which is why you see 3 people working on it right now, because SEMA, I think it's got to be ready to ship Friday. We're shipping this car?
Yeah.
What's up, YouTube? It is Friday, October 4th. I'm coming to you from the RestoMods garage. Going to give you a little update on things that are going on. First of all, happy upcoming Halloween. Second of all, today's the very last day of RM31. Someone's going to be taking home this incredible supercharged 67 Camaro and $50,000 in cash, and it could be you. You got to make sure you have those entries. If you're watching this, you probably already have your entries. You can top them up at RestoMods.com, but only until midnight tonight. So maybe you're watching this after the fact, and it's past October 24th at midnight on the East Coast, in which case we're live with our next sweepstakes, RM32, which is this Mustang just over my left shoulder. The end of one sweepstakes at RestoMods necessarily means the beginning of another, so don't despair. And we're going to be calling the winner of RM31, this Camaro, live on YouTube November 3rd. So make sure you find that video, set an alert or an alarm or notification or whatever they call it on there. We're going to be going live, I believe it's 2 p.m. Pacific time, November 3rd, to call the winner of RM31. We're going to give away this incredible car and $50,000 in cash. It's easily a 6-figure prize package, like good, healthy 6-figure prize package, and we're gonna change somebody's life. So super fun. Make sure you stay tuned for that live on YouTube, November 3rd, 2 p.m. Pacific time. Let's whip around the garage. Let me show you what's going on out here. So RM31, this closes tonight at midnight tonight. So make sure you have your entries. If you don't have your entries, go claim them. If you already have your entries, go log in at RestoMods.com. Check out how many entries you have and necessary. Top those up and get some more. You can pick up anything on our site, hat, t-shirt, whatever. You're gonna get 2 entries for every $1 spent. This is gonna close at midnight East Coast time tonight. And then at 1 a.m. East Coast time or 10 p.m. Pacific time, the 69 Mustang is going live. So you can claim entries for the Camaro up till midnight tonight, and then immediately after that, the entries will switch over to the 69 Mustang. If you haven't seen this thing, check out our YouTube channel. We're gonna be going live with all the build sheet stuff on this, and if you wanna see it in person, just come out and see us at SEMA in Vegas in just a couple weeks here. The first week of November, we're gonna be out in Vegas. RM32 will be there in the Blueprint Engines booth. I forget the exact booth number, but Joe, when you're editing this, maybe drop in the booth number there. Speaking of SEMA, the guys are going crazy working on this build over here. This is a future sweepstakes car as well. I don't think we have a number for it yet, but we do have a really cool build series on our YouTube channel about how this car evolved from, I don't want to call it a rusty shell because I know Esparza gets sensitive, but a shell that didn't look quite this nice. And we put it on a Roadster Shop chassis. We put a brand new Blueprint 427 in it. This car is insane. It will also be at SEMA, which is why you see 3 people working on it right now, because SEMA, I think it's got to be ready to ship Friday. We're shipping this car?
Yeah.
All right, I'll leave you alone then. I'll leave you alone. This thing's got to ship. Today's Friday. It's got to ship in exactly a week. So that means, yeah, if I was you, I would be talking about it all the time. But this thing is super sick. It will also be at SEMA in the same Blueprint Engines booth if you want to see this car. Also in the Blueprint Engines booth, you guys might recognize this one. This car right here is a 70 Charger, but it actually was won as RM30 by Derek Jones right here. But we made him a cash offer. He was in a position in his life where he felt like the money would help him a lot more. So we made an offer to him. He took home $150,000 in cash and hopefully is now a proud homeowner. This is where you'll live, by the way, if you win RM31. You'll live on our winner's wall here, where all of our winners hang out. We see them all the time, and some people even come back to visit us. Shout out to Ricky Fiddler. We hope he's doing well. He's come out to visit us a couple times, but all of our winners are up here, and we're looking for number 31. We will draw that again on November 3rd, live on YouTube. So RM30 is right over here. This car is actually also going to SEMA. Don't mind our lunch. This is what we do for lunch, by the way. Shout out to our team here at the office. We did tacos today. Unbelievable. If you're ever in San Diego, hit us up. You might be able to come by for some of those tacos. This is RM30, believe it or not. This thing used to be that crazy Viper red. We painted it black. This thing will be at SEMA as well in the Blueprint Engines booth, and will be an upcoming sweepstakes car as well. Sometime in 2026, we're gonna give this car away again. So you can look at the build sheet for RM30 and see all the details on this car. We did paint it black, and we put this cool matte strap on the back, and I think it looks amazing. I loved it in red, but I also love it in black. So give us a shout out in the comments what you guys like better. You guys have pretty much seen everything else that's in here that's on the lifts. We've got a few Chargers in here, a few Chevelles in here, different things going on. Here's our 68 68 Charger. This thing's gonna be a Hellcat car at some point, so various things. Engine bay is getting all cleaned out. This thing is one of my favorites. So that car's coming up. We got the 65 Rivieras on the lift. I think this thing just got like a carb service and an oil change. I don't think we changed the oil in like 3 years, so that got finally done. It's the original Nailhead 400 in here. Super cool car, one of my favorites. The clamshell headlights, always got to give a shout out to those. So just giving some love to the Riv. Go ahead, Reeks, don't let me slow you down, dude. And then the Ram Charger is, of course, getting finished up for our winner there. We've done some calls with him that we'll push to the YouTube channel as well. I don't know, he was kind of leaning towards taking a cash alternative because this truck is not ready yet. So we were like, hey, you want to hang out and see how we're going to finish it before we move on and hand over the keys. So we've got maybe another month or two on this one. We've been cranking on SEMA cars. So this one will likely have to wait and be done early part of next year. But we got to follow up. We'll post some of those calls we did with the winner so you guys can see what's going on with the 75 Ram Charger. But essentially, that is it. We're going back to work on all the cars we got to get ready for SEMA. Hopefully, if you're out in Vegas, come see us. We're bringing a ton of freebies out there. We'll be giving away hats and t-shirts. We did limited edition t-shirt partnerships, collabs with Blueprint Engines and Roadster Shop. So we'll have limited edition t-shirts. If you guys see any of our crew out there in Vegas at SEMA, flag us down. We've got stuff to hand out to you. In the meantime, make sure you're entered to win RM31. We're giving this car away November 3rd, but tonight at midnight is the very last time to enter. So make sure you have entries for that. If you already have some, make sure you have the max and get entered to win RM31. We're going to be pulling that winner again November 3rd, 2 p.m. Pacific time. And then right after that, an hour after that one closes at midnight tonight, we're launching RM32, which is this really cool Mustang. We haven't done a Mustang in how long, Joe? What? How long was the last Mustang? 6 years? How long? 6 years. It's been 6 years since we gave away a Mustang. So, yeah, get in it. This one is awesome. It's got a blueprint crate underneath the hood. We'll be dropping the build sheet soon. You'll be able to see all of the details on that. So as always, thank you from us here at RestoMods. Appreciate all of your support. Make sure you're entered to win RM31 because I'm going to be calling the winner November 3rd, and it could be you. Good luck. Have a fantastic weekend. God bless.